Having trouble switching between the grill and griddle on your Ninja Sizzle? Plate not locking in? Unit not heating after swapping? This usually comes down to plate alignment, contact issues, or user error. Let's get you cooking on the right surface in no time. Step 1. Power off and unplug before swapping plates. Always turn the unit off and unplug it before changing plates. Swapping while powered can cause connection issues or trigger safety features. Step 2. Match the plate orientation correctly. Each plate is shaped to fit one way only. Line up the ridges on the plate with the tracks on the base. Push down gently until it sits flat and secure. Step 3. Make sure the plate is fully seated. A half-seated plate won't heat properly and can stop mode switching. Check all corners. There should be no wobble or lift. Step 4. Let the preheat cycle finish after swapping. The unit auto-detects the plate during preheat. Let it complete the preheat cycle before checking if heat is working. Step 5. Clean the base contacts if needed. If the unit still doesn't heat or recognize the plate, unplug it and gently wipe the contact areas with a dry cloth. Debris or grease can interrupt the connection. Still not switching or heating correctly after all that? It could be a contact or internal fault. Ninja support link is in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!